Hey, welcome to this video where we're going to be fixing this window here. So we're going to get into it. I'm going to tell you how to do it, or how I'm going to do it, and see if it actually works. We also have some of the siding here that's kind of popped off. So we had a big storm and a tree fell into the siding, hit the window, broke it. Yeah, that was like 6 months ago or something crazy. And one of my neighbors actually had a tree fall into their house, and they were out of their house for like 6 months while it was getting repaired. So pretty big deal. We got this window here. I'll put a link for where we got it from. It was $100 to get it cut to the size, and I'm hoping that I got the right size cut. I'm just gonna kind of go for it and figure out as I go along. And so I might do a voiceover on this. I'm not too sure. Now for the moment of truth, to see if I got the right size of glass. And, you know, make sure you wear gloves while you're doing glass, because I cut myself just barely, hoping this will fit. And I'm not too sure which way this goes. There's a smooth side and then there's a bumpy side. I'm guessing the smooth goes on the outside. I think that will work. Here, I'm going to put around the sill, and I hope this, see, masonry, brick, concrete, hooded aluminum. So this should stick on there. I don't know if this is what this is for, but should work, and it's transparent, so I'm not too worried about it. All right. My card just went empty, but I think I got it. So I'm gonna show you up here. So look, they had these little things just popped out, and then I put the sticky stuff, you can see a little bit right there, all the way around, shoo, 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 and then I put the white things back in. So it kind of holds them in place. So I went on the inside and checked that the glue is not just like sticking out everywhere, and it looks fine from the inside. You can definitely see a little bit up there. Just clean it off a little bit. It looks good though. Take a look from over here. Oh, that little thing right there. See how that's bent a little bit? And that obviously still looks bad. But the window looks good from the inside. It looks good from the outside. I just clean up the siding, and I think we will be good with that, honestly. Like it looks pretty awesome. Not worried about falling out or anything. I gotta see how long this is supposed to dry. Cure time 7 to 14 days. But skin time 4 to 6 minutes, so it should be dry pretty soon. That's good.